then I will click again maybe somewhere around here. And then maybe somewhere around here. My screen just froze. Is your one's froze as well?
Yes.
So I click twice. So the more clicks you do, the more curves you do. It's generally good practice to have less curves on a road. So you can click twice, maximum of 3 times, but the less curves the better. Right? And then once you click that, you can press the escape button on your keyboard. Okay? And it will generate this center line road that we have right now. Okay? Then we're up to this part, just a thumbs up. You have that center line. I know it's a bit laggy, so I'll probably give you guys a few more seconds. I'll probably give you guys like a minute more. So thumbs up once you guys have gotten this center line. It's a bit laggy, I understand. So I'll give you guys some time. Two more thumbs up.
You know what you're missing?
That means you put 30 kilometers back. What? Because the curve, you know, when you have a curve, that means it exceeds 90.
Yes.
I forgot. So we went all the way from the night markets at the fire and the violence. And we went there to the Harbour Bridge. And they came back on the Mission Day. Sipping through town.
Every Tuesday.
Yeah, as soon as you leave town,
I didn't even know if you go fast.
yeah. No, yeah, I was like, why is there a turtle on my screen? It's dark. Edge.
Well, they use it for
It's generally recommended to use two curves because it's good practice. The more curves you have, the harder it is to build the road, the more costs and so on. Yeah, it's okay. 3 is the maximum. I recommend less. Good one. Just a thumbs up if you guys have that center line. So I know who has it. Yep. Alright, you guys have it? What about you guys?
Yeah.
You guys have it? Keep in mind that when you do the assignment, less curves. 2 or 3. Right, the more curves, the harder it is to build the road. So, do you have a file that you have? You have the week 1 file? Oh, no, that's not. Put the week 1. So you need to have already a file like this. But if you don't, you know anyone? Does anyone have a copy of the week 1 that you guys can probably send to one of our friends? Is anyone willing to share their week 1 file?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can I have an email?
Yeah. What's your email?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go ask him for this week 1 file. But when you get home, do the week 1 practice.
Oh, okay.
And then you should get your own file. But for now, you can borrow someone else's. Yeah. You're meant to have that file. When you come home. Alright, so okay, so that what that means, you have a lot of curves. Anyway, this means you put up a website for you have a highway engineering, so that means to see that that's what you can oh yeah, that means
Mine is April, then
James.
Alright, so I'll move on.
James.
So some of you guys, when you join your alignment,
Eric, P-A-R-R-Y.
you guys get this triangle thing. It means that, you know, when you guys did in highway engineering where you have curves, you have to calculate for the design speed, right? So this means that it's exceeded the design speed of 30 kilometers.
Yeah.
But later on, we can either you either have to redesign your road, redesign the curves, or you can do some other method to get rid of this. Talk about that one if I get to it. Alright. So now, edit slash add slash delete
We were there.
right? So we have
Like
that
last
line.
20 years. No, I've never lived there.
Have you never been?
No, I've been there all the times, but I never.
Do you know what the uses the pump?
Then we will click on geometry editor.
I've only been
Then you click on the align. So if we go
in out drinking there once or twice.
click on that tab.
It's on this, fancy
Geometry
with
editor.
drinking home.
Geometry editor. And then we will click on this.
Or is it? It's insane.
Okay. That means if you want to make edits to it. So if you don't have that tab, you
German
want me to edit this alignment tab will
I
show
don't
up.
have the triangle sign.
If you want to make edits to it, like you want to make another alignment, or you want to edit the curves or anything, that's the alignment tab. Yeah. Alright? Oh, forgetting to do the save as. Forgetting to do save as. So usually sometimes it will crash, so you have to, it's important to do the save as. So name it July practice 3 maybe. Yeah. So thumbs up if everyone's up to this stage. Thumbs up. Okay, now we'll be making the ground surface profile. So here, we go on home, profile, create surface profile, and then we'll get this tab. Go home, and then surfaces. No, profile, sorry. Profile, create surface profile. Yeah. And then we will get this tab here. You see here that your surface that you've made, make sure you rename it to one that you remember, like change the surface, existing ground, whatever you named it. Yeah. So here you have two. Since I made two alignment roads, I have to know which one. That's why it's important to name it to one that you remember. For now, I know that I named the proposed road 2, but I will want to delete that, so. Okay. So I'll go back to profile, create surface profile. So I only have one. There's only one. So I click on the one alignment that I want and the surface that I want to use, and then I press add. This little add with the arrows thing. And I will get this piece of data on the profile. Yeah. So now we will click on this, and then we press draw in profile view. Okay, click on that button. And we will get this great profile view tab here. Okay. So select the alignment that you use. Okay. And name it long section round profile or whatever. Name it long section. Yeah. Name it. And times 5 exaggeration, make sure it's on times 5. It should be on the standard one, which is times 5. And then just click on next, or just click. Yeah. Or you can just click straight away to profile hash option. No. You can just click straight create profile view. If you click that create profile view, you should click it somewhere around here because it's going to create a long section of your sensor line. You see here? Now this is called the vertical alignment because it's the vertical, it shows you the vertical road, vertical view of the alignment. Now this one, we call it the horizontal alignment because we can see it on the horizontal plane. Yeah? These are important terms because this will be in your assignment. So just make sure that you don't get too mixed up. This is your vertical, this is your horizontal. Okay? Vertical alignment, creating a road. Vertical road. Select the profile creation tool. We go back to the profile.
Oh, do I need to press
then profile creation tools. Over here. Click on it.
Which
And then we can, it says here, select profile view to create profile. And from here on, we click on our vertical alignment. Here we can create our create a profile. Just thumbs up if you guys are up to this stage. Am I going too fast? No?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad. Sorry. So does everyone have this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
uh,
Everyone has this? Right? So we will create our vertical profile now. So we click this profile. Yeah. And here underneath we will find profile creation tools. Yeah. Just click on that. And then we will have this little rectangular cursor. It says select profile view to create profile. So we will click on this view where we hover over it, we can select the whole thing. Just click on that, click on our vertical alignment. And here we will get this create profile tab.
this one.
Okay. And then now we will name it something. It says here road design. Or we could name it actually. Yeah, it's for name road design. Name road design. Yeah. Same thing. You can go design criteria. Click on that. So we have general and design criteria. Click on the design criteria. And then check the use criteria based design. And then check the use design criteria file. Right? See these three dots
Just click and type in.
right next to this file? Click on that, and you will get this same thing again. So like we did before, select the transit NZ highway design manual, minimum radial values ANZ. Click on that, and then click on open. Thumbs up, you guys up here. Okay. And then, yeah, use design check sheet. Check for that. Okay. Press OK. Once you have all of this, and you will get the profile layout tools again. The toolbar. In the toolbar, says this is our toolbar. Select draw tangents with curves. So you will click on this arrow, draw tangents without curves. And then click on the draw tangents with curves. Yeah? Alright. So now just draw from left to right your alignment. So we have to start on the basically where the road starts. So this is where our road starts. So you have to click on this, right? And then just click maybe around 3 to 6, because the more clicks you do, the more curves it will make. Yeah. And just once you get to the end point, just press escape. You will have this tab. Right? Yeah. So okay, so for half a mark, like like Roger's thing, why do you guys think I should have less clicks, like less curves? Just any thought as to why. Yeah.
It'll make it easier to build.
Yeah. But there's one thing. There's one answer. That's one of the answers. That's a good answer.
To get a consistent grade.
I mean, good answer. Yeah, but that's not what I'm looking for. you do, alright, I'll have to get your name later. Just mostly, it's comfy with it. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, right? But so for example, this is my existing ground, right?
I'll try to get that.
If I do more curves, right? Who would want to drive that curvy end road? If I have less curves, it'll be easier to build, but it'll also be smoother to drive on. Yeah? So I smell good practice to have more curves in the vertical direction. That's for the horizontal. So I'll have to give you. Right. That's worth half a mark.
As many as possible.
No, like maybe like
Yeah.
5 times.
Alright, so now that we have this,
I need you 3.
you will edit the profile data. Alright. So if we have a look at our depth, we can see that there's no change. The red one is our road design, the road we're going to build, and the green is the existing ground, or the existing ground level. So we can see that in some points it's meant to be negative, some points it's meant to be positive, because there's this difference. If you remember in the civil structural drawing, we have to have those levels, and in here it's called depth. So we have to edit these. So now, if we zoom in, you'll notice that it's 0. And we have to change this. So if we go alignments, profile views. Wait, sweetheart. Yeah, if we see this alignments tab, just click on this arrow to expand it. And then we expand the proposed road as well. And then profile views. You will see here our long section name that we named it, whatever you named it. James' long section, ground profile, whatever, vertical alignment, whatever. Click. Right click. And go properties. Yep. And then here, for bands, we will have these tabs, and then just click on the one that says bands. Thumbs up, you guys are all up to this stage. Yeah. Yeah. So bands. So here, let me just open this a little more. You can see here that profile 1 and profile 2 are profile 1 and profile 2 are different. Should be different, but it's not, which means that the level difference will be the same. So we have to change. Okay. Change profile 1, everything to your road design. Yeah. Change profile 1 to road design. Yeah. And then press apply. And then once you press apply, press OK. Alright. Should have this. Yeah. Yeah. We can double check this if we zoom in and we see that it's a negative value. And then negative value, it means that we're cutting into the ground. Yeah. And then if we have a positive value here, it means it should be filled. Cut and fill. Right? Just double check that it's the same. Yeah. Everyone up to this stage?
Yeah, why did we only have one?
Thumbs up. You guys need a little bit more time? guys probably like 2 minutes to get up to the stage. Some people are catch up. Be back.